Cranes, giants of the construction world. We rely on them every day to lift impossible weights, to reach dizzying heights. But what happens when these titans falter? Picture this: a mobile crane, its long arm outstretched, hoisting a massive concrete slab. Suddenly a groan of metal, a sickening crunch, and the arm buckles. The slab crashes to the ground, sending shockwaves through the construction site. What went wrong? Was it operator error, mechanical failure, or was the weight of the load simply too much for the crane to handle? These are the questions that investigators scramble to answer in the aftermath of such accidents. The truth is, operating heavy machinery is a high-stakes game. There's no room for error. Lives are on the line. The wreckage serves as a stark reminder: respect the machine, know its limits, because when these giants fall, the consequences are severe. Hauling massive mining equipment is no Sunday drive. These behemoths dwarf regular trucks, demanding careful maneuvering and nerves of steel. Imagine this: a flatbed trailer stretched to its limit, carrying a gargantuan excavator. The driver, experienced but weary, navigates a tight bend. Suddenly there's a sickening screech of metal. The trailer's oversized load has clipped a traffic sign, shearing it clean off its base. Sparks fly as the metal scrapes against the asphalt. The driver, shaken but unharmed, brings the rig to a stop. It's a stark reminder of the challenges of transporting oversized loads. Every turn, every overpass, every tight squeeze becomes a potential hazard. This isn't just about driving skill. It's about meticulous planning, route surveying, and understanding the limitations of your cargo and your vehicle. One miscalculation, one moment of inattention, and disaster can strike. We love to marvel at the raw power of heavy machinery, the sheer force and precision with which these colossal machines can move earth and reshape landscapes. It's a sight to behold, a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. But let's not forget the human element. Behind every piece of machinery, there are skilled operators who bring these mechanical giants to life. They are the unsung heroes of the construction world, the ones who turn blueprints into reality. The men and women behind the controls, they're the ones who make it all happen. They work in unison, a well-oiled machine of their own, ensuring that every task is executed with precision and care. They're the ones who spend years honing their skills, mastering the intricacies of these complex machines. It's not just about pushing buttons and pulling levers. It's about understanding the nuances of each piece of equipment, knowing its strengths and limitations, and yes, they're the ones who sometimes make mistakes. Despite their expertise, errors can happen. It's a part of the job, an inevitable aspect of working with such powerful tools. Because here's the thing, even the most experienced operator is human. They have good days and bad days, moments of clarity and moments of fatigue. They get tired, they get distracted, they misjudge distances. They face pressures and stresses, both personal and professional, that can impact their performance. And when you're dealing with equipment this size, even a small mistake can have huge consequences. A minor miscalculation can lead to significant damage, not just to the machinery but to the project and the people involved. It's a heavy burden to bear, knowing that one wrong move can have far-reaching effects. But here's the other side of that coin. A good operator takes responsibility. They don't shy away from their mistakes, they confront them head-on. They own up to their errors, acknowledging the impact and taking steps to rectify the situation. They apologize for any damage or inconvenience caused, and they learn from the experience. It's a process of continuous improvement, a commitment to becoming better with each passing day. They know that operating heavy machinery isn't just about brute strength, it's about finesse, precision, and a deep understanding of the equipment. It's about humility, accountability, and a commitment to safety. Safety is paramount in this line of work. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Operators and workers alike must adhere to strict safety protocols, ensuring that every action taken is done with the well-being of everyone in mind. Regular safety checks, thorough inspections, and ongoing training are all part of the process. It's a collective effort, a shared responsibility to create a safe and efficient working environment. Moving forward, it's about collaboration and communication. It's about working together, learning from each other, and striving for excellence in every aspect of the job. The journey of expertise, apologies, and moving forward is a continuous one, marked by growth, resilience, and a dedication to the craft. Mud, sweat, and loaders navigating treacherous terrain. In this chapter, we delve into the complexities and challenges faced by operators when the terrain turns treacherous. It's not just about moving earth. It's about mastering the elements and the machine. Anybody can operate a loader on a smooth, dry surface. It's straightforward, almost routine. The ground is firm, the weather is clear, and the machine responds predictably. But throw in some mud, some rain, and maybe a few steep inclines, and suddenly, you're talking about a whole different ballgame. The terrain becomes unpredictable, the machine's behavior changes, and the operator's skills are put to the ultimate test. Imagine this: a construction site after a downpour. The once solid ground is now a quagmire, a muddy expanse that challenges every move the operator makes. The ground is churned into a muddy mess. Each step, each movement of the loader is met with resistance. The mud clings to the tires, the tracks making every inch of progress hard-fought. A loader, its bucket laden with earth, struggles to gain traction. The wheels spin, the machine lurches, and the operator must fight to maintain control. The operator, a seasoned pro, knows better than to gun the engine. He understands that patience and precision are key. He must feel the machine, understand its limits, and work within them. He eases off the throttle, gently rocking the machine back and forth, trying to find solid ground. It's a slow, methodical process, requiring a delicate touch and a keen sense of balance. He knows that brute force will only dig him in deeper. The more he pushes, the more the mud grips the machine, pulling it further into the mire. This is where experience and instinct take over. The operator must rely on his years of training and the feel of the machine beneath him. The operator needs to read the terrain, anticipate the machine's movements, and make adjustments on the fly. Every second counts, and every decision can mean the difference between success and failure. It's a delicate dance between power and finesse, and it's all too easy to lose your footing. One wrong move, one moment of overconfidence, and the machine could be stuck for hours or worse, damaged. But that's the nature of the job. It's not just about moving dirt, it's about overcoming obstacles, adapting to changing conditions, and finding solutions in the face of adversity. When the going gets tough, the tough get creative. Operators must think on their feet, using every tool at their disposal, every trick they've learned to get the job done. It's a testament to their skill, their resilience, and their determination. Sometimes it means using boards or chains to gain traction. Other times it means finding a new path, a different angle of attack. It's about using ingenuity and resourcefulness to turn a challenging situation into a manageable one. And when the loader finally gains traction, when it moves through the mud and emerges on solid ground, it's a moment of triumph. It's a victory not just for the machine, but for the operator who guided it there. It's a reminder that with skill, patience, and a bit of creativity, even the toughest terrain can be navigated. It's a testament to the human spirit and the power of perseverance. As the skies clear and the ground begins to dry, the construction site returns to normal. The challenges of the mud and rain are behind them, but the lessons learned remain. The operator reflects on the experience, ready for the next challenge. Because in the world of heavy machinery, there's always another obstacle to overcome, another terrain to master. And so, the dance continues. Loader and operator, machine and man, working together to navigate the treacherous terrain and build a better future. A sinking feeling, yacht transport gone wrong. Moving a luxury yacht from the shipyard to the water should be a thing of beauty, a graceful ballet of man and machine. The process involves meticulous planning, precision engineering, and a team of highly skilled professionals working in perfect harmony. Every step, from securing the yacht to the crane, to the final moment when it touches the water, is choreographed to ensure a seamless transition. But sometimes even the best laid plans go awry. Despite all the precautions, the unexpected can happen, turning a routine operation into a chaotic disaster. Picture this: a massive yacht, gleaming white under the summer sun, being lowered into the water by a giant crane. The yacht, a symbol of luxury and opulence, is the pride of its owner, and the culmination of countless hours of craftsmanship. Slowly, carefully, the crane operator lowers the vessel towards its watery home. The tension is palpable as everyone watches with bated breath. Then, disaster strikes. The crane's rigging snaps, sending the yacht plunging into the water with an almighty splash. The sound of metal giving way and the subsequent crash reverberates through the air, leaving everyone in shock. Onlookers gasp in horror as the expensive vessel tips precariously, taking on water rapidly. The scene is chaotic, with people shouting and scrambling to understand what went wrong. What should have been a routine operation has turned into a salvage nightmare. The once pristine yacht is now partially submerged, and the focus shifts from celebration to rescue. In the world of heavy machinery, control is everything. Operators are trained to handle these powerful machines with precision, but even the slightest error can have catastrophic consequences. One minute you're in command, the next, you're battling the forces of gravity and water. The operator, who moments ago was the master of the situation, now finds themselves in a desperate struggle to mitigate the damage. It's a stark reminder that even with the most sophisticated equipment, things can go wrong in the blink of an eye. The aftermath of such an incident is not just about the financial loss, but also the emotional toll on everyone involved. The yacht, a symbol of dreams and aspirations, now lies damaged, a testament to the unpredictability of life and the fragility of human endeavors. The team of engineers and specialists quickly gather to assess the damage and discuss the next steps. Their expertise and quick thinking are crucial in determining the best course of action to salvage the situation. Pumps are brought in to remove the water from the yacht, and divers prepare to inspect the hull for any structural damage. Every second counts as they work tirelessly to prevent further sinking and stabilize the vessel. The owner of the yacht, visibly distressed, speaks with the salvage team, seeking reassurance and answers. The emotional weight of the situation is evident as dreams of sailing the open seas are momentarily dashed. The salvage team works in unison, their experience and training coming to the fore. The crane is once again employed, this time with reinforced rigging, to carefully lift the yacht from its precarious position. Finally, the yacht is safely placed on a dry dock where a thorough inspection can be conducted. The team breathes a collective sigh of relief, knowing that the worst is over, but the work is far from complete. Engineers and specialists now plan the repairs, discussing timelines and the resources needed to restore the yacht to its former glory. The road to recovery is long, but with determination and expertise, the yacht will sail again. As the sun sets over the shipyard, there's a sense of calm after the storm. The day's events serve as a powerful reminder of the challenges and unpredictability in the world of yacht transport, but also of the resilience and skill of those who navigate these waters.